Okay guys, one tonight for you Zippo collectors. Something which not many of you would ever have seen, and it's a little bit hardcore. Perhaps might be too much for you to handle, I don't know, but it's the Zippo Magnnifier. Dun dun dun! Cue funky music. Okay, we're going to bring it down onto the turntable, because we like a bit of turntable. Looks exactly the same as the Zippo pillbox and the Zippo tape measure. So it's first glance, it looks like half a Zippo. If I just get this one out by here, I'll try and get this one out by here and do my best, honest. So here we have the Zippo pillbox. It looks exactly the same. You probably couldn't tell the difference between the two if you didn't know. And the Zippo tape measure. Now for all those of you who haven't seen and don't know, here you have the Zippo pillbox. Looks like any normal top half of a Zippo. Pull it out. Lift your cover. Thus. And you pop your meds in to your pillbox. And your Zippo tape measures. Pristine condition, boxed. So then you have your Zippo magnifying glass. Now I'm just going to move this out of the way. Now to those of you who haven't seen them before, they get on a bit in years now. They come in this lovely vintage case. In fact, they are vintage. Nothing special to identify it as anything else. A product, a Zippo Manufacturing, Pennsylvania. It's a lovely vintage warranty card. Love the font and the paper is on. Proper 1960s. You guys tell me if I'm wrong, but at least it feels 1960s to me. Because there's no date or identifying on you. Now, to look at, exactly the same as the Zippo pillbox or the tape measure, but you've got twin prism lenses. So the one comes out. Captain Jack Sparrow. So one lens, and then you have a second lens, and of course the reversible lens as well. So depending on your eyesight, if you're out reading a newspaper, you've broken your glasses, what a great little tool. Beautifully finished. You see, look at from the bottom. The only way you can identify what it is from the bottom. The Zippo pillbox and the tape measure are totally different. The reads on the bottom. Zippo Manufacturing, Bradford. There you are. Now another little look-see. I think it's so cute. And again, I've tried it for reading with the paper and things. Let's see if we can pick it up on camera. So you've got the one size there, that's the two lenses together. I'd see it doesn't magnify so much that way. Magnifies more that way. Bring out the other prism. So you can actually get much more magnification with this one. Love it. Absolutely love it. Never seen one before. Stumbled across it on eBay. I think it was 20 quid or so. Absolutely over the moon. So keep your eyes out. You never know what you're going to find inside your collection. Night, guys.